The first one is iron. Where we found that iron normally? Yes, in cylinder liners. It's a ferrous alloy. It's a special steel with a high content of a cylinder. What is the symptom when I have problems on the cylinder liners? Yeah, if the cylinder liners, like I explained before, are perforated for the corrosion, pitting corrosion, of course, the coolant penetrate and enter in the combustion chamber, and you have white smoke. This is the first consequence. And of course, if that situation occur, probably you have the oil emulsified with coolant, and the color of the oil is a milky oil. Other one is the plates, the spacers of the and the plates. There are heat exchangers, diesel engine with the heat exchangers of plates composite, separated for O-rings, like the strainer that you have on the screen right now. This is a typical heat exchanger used in big diesel engines. They have plates and spacers, and those plates are in aluminum. The majority of those heat exchangers. What is the symptom? Once again, probably you don't have any symptom, but you can see leaks. You can see that the level of the coolant decrease on the reservoir, and the recommendation is replace the plates. Yeah, when you order the kit for this type of heat exchanger, you receive the kit complete of all the plates with the gaskets. Yeah, you need to replace those plates. Where is coming the copper? Probably from the heat exchanger. You remember the pipes of the heat exchangers and the divisions for the coolant circulation. Those are in a copper nickel alloy. You remember that? Okay, it's on the heat exchanger. What is the consequence? The coolant is mixed. The coolant is mixed with salt water, and probably you have a lot of coolant outside of the boat on the water, or probably the color of the coolant in the reservoir change for brown, and the odor is not good. Replace the heat exchanger. Other source of copper is on the fittings and pipes, once again, and of course you have leaks, and the recommendation is replace. Other source of copper is the heater core. The water tank. Yeah, probably in that. Remember that you have one coil with the coolant inside of the cylinder with the fresh water. Okay, if you have a crack on that coil of copper, you need probably the fresh water is mixed. The fresh water is mixed with coolant. The fresh water of the house. Yeah, when you open the faucet, the fresh water is coming with coolant. This is an indication that the heater is broken, and you need to replace the heater. And now we are going to check the contaminants. Silica. Where is coming the silica? The silica normally should be in between 20 and 50 parts per million, a little. Yeah, because silica is sandpaper. You sand it internally, for example, the cylinder walls. Right now we are going to analyze. It's coming normally from the air filter. If the air filter is clogged, this is very common in tractors, in trucks. If those trucks work in areas with too much pollution, absorb sand, the filter is clogged of sand, and some particles of sand enter in the combustion chamber and destroy the cylinder walls. This is catastrophic. What is the symptom? Loss of power. This is the first symptom. The second symptom is, of course, you need to remove and replace the air filter. The second symptom is a rich mixture. Remember, if the air filter is clogged, less air, the engine compensates with more fuel in order to keep the stoichiometric ratio at the same ratio. Yes, in that case, the color of the smoke is excessive amount of fuel, is black, and of course you need to check the injectors. You need to remove the injectors and send the injectors to the machine shop in order to test the pressure and the pattern of each injector. We are going to talk in the next episode about that topic. We are going to do exactly the same exercise with the report of the oil sample, and we are going to analyze each metal internally in the engine.